Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to make my favorite lentil soup. First, you'll need to set your Instant Pot to saute. Then you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil to the Instant Pot. I'm using avocado oil here. We'll need to add a half a cup each of diced sweet onion, chopped celery, and diced carrots. After you saute them for a few minutes, we will add our seasonings. 1/8 teaspoon of celery salt, a half a teaspoon of dried thyme, a half a teaspoon of dried marjoram, and a half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Then add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Deglaze the pan with 1 cup of water. Then we're going to turn off the Instant Pot. We're going to add another cup of water and use the immersion blender to puree up all of the veggies and herbs. You can keep it chunkier by skipping this step. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and we're going to add another half cup of each of the veggies that we added previously: celery, carrot, and onion. I'm also adding 3 cups of rinsed lentils. I'm using green lentils here. These are dry. You will then add 10 cups of water or veggie stock. I used water with an equal ratio of bouillon paste. And then you can add salt and pepper. I did about 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, but you can add more later if you need. I also added a few bay leaves to the pot. Now we're going to add some greens. You can use whatever greens you prefer, just chop them up well. I used 3 to 4 cups of Tuscan kale and Swiss chard. Make sure you press the greens down so that it's almost completely submerged in the liquid. Now pop on the lid and set it to pressure cook for 30 minutes and let it naturally release. After it's done, stir the soup around and pick out those bay leaves. And then I'm going to add the juice of a lime, but you could also use a lemon here, that actually might be better. And then taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Enjoy your hearty and warming lentil soup.